The hot point washing machine dry motor. So we had an issue with the motor making noise, and then it was sparking, so it would stop midway. So I've just removed the motor. So if you can check, there is a dent on the armature here, you see. So that's where the noise is coming from. So the motor is completely destroyed. So we either replace the armature or replace the full motor. And then something else I've noted is, because there's a chip on the armature, so it's breaking the carbon brushes. So we open that and check the extent of the damage. So what we do, we open the two screws. So you see, the brush is still okay, but now it's rough because of the armature. If you check here, there is a dent, so it's rough hitting the brushes. So we open the other one. Let's see the other brush. Yeah, still okay, but now it's rough because the armature is eating it up. So let's just have a clear look at the armature. This is the dent. So you know the brushes lie on the armature, so it should be smooth when rotating. So but now this one is eating up the brushes. So we either replace the armature or we get the entire motor replaced.